Hi, I'm LJ. I want to show you a new bike that I built. This is an old bike I found in the shed of my brother's. He's not around currently. If he comes around, then I'll give it to him. So I had to rebuild the bike a little bit, repairs here and there. I painted it camo. And then I added a motor kit, an e-bike motor kit. It's a 48 volt, 1200 watt. The display here, it'll turn on. Control it down in that little box right there. It does get and go. Here's my battery pack here. Get it open. I went with 4 lead acid batteries running in series, which is 48 volts. A little heavier than a normal e-bike battery, but I had to cut costs a little bit. Alright, there you have it. She gets up and goes. She's a good bike.